Got a package in the mail today, and if it's correct, it should have my new cigars in it. Let's open it up and check it out, shall we? Look at that, tough tape. Or my knife needs sharpening. My knife needs sharpening. Anyway, I think it's more for a staple puller than anything else. Let's see what we got. Here you go. I got my 20 cigar bundle of Cuban rounds. Now these are budget cigars. I think these came out to be about $1.50 each or so. I don't know, let's see if I get an invoice in here. Da-da-dee-dee. No, I don't have an invoice, but I think they were about $1.50 each. I've had a Cuban round with a natural wrapper before, and it was a pretty darn good cigar. Not just for the price, it was a good cigar. So I decided that, there you go. I don't know if you can read that, but it says 6x50 Toro Natural Cuban Rounds. I figure, I'll get myself a bundle of 20 in Toro size. That'd be a good everyday smoke or just a regular go-to smoke. Also, I ordered myself some Arturo Fuente cigarillos. Let's see what they call these. Well, they just call them Arturo Fuentes. They're small cigars. I'll be right back. Let me check something. This is a tin. That's pretty cool. I didn't expect a tin. I thought it'd be another little bundle, but it's an Arturo Fuente Cubanito, which is a cigarillo size. I've been thinking of getting some cigarillos, but I wasn't sure what kind to get. But I do like Arturo Fuente, so I figured I'll get Arturo Fuente cigarillos. I know there's a lot of them you can get at gas stations and such, like Swisher Sweets and Horde little cigars like that. But as far as those go, I'd rather have none at all. Let's check these little beauties out. See if I can peel that off. Don't want to damage it. There we go. Isn't that a little beauty? Now I have these tubes, and the idea was I could just take one of these, slip it in the tube, stick it in my pocket, and off I go. And have a handy little cigarillo for one of those times when I just feel like I gotta have myself a little Arturo Fuente. I'm looking forward to trying one of them little beauties. And what's really cool is that they come in this tin. That I did not expect. Now, of course, I'll be trying the Cuban rounds. I've had them before and I know I like them. So I won't really be trying them. I'll be having another Cuban round. Anyway, that's it for this one. We'll see y'all next time.